guys, what's up? This is Kushi. I hope you guys are safe and doing absolutely great. It is currently 10:45 in the morning and I just woke up. Please धोखा मत खाना. I don't wake up at this time on regular basis. I'm supposed to go to the bank to close my Purana wala account and get a new account open. So yeah. I'll take you guys along with me, probably my first vlogging video. I hope you guys like it. If you really do, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Hi guys, I just brushed. Still no difference to my face. I'm just so sleepy. I usually wake up at 2 and this is too early for me. Like sunlight did. And if you hear the background noise, thumbs up guys. This is the basic morning routine of my house, DJ Hunt, Take him. Hi guys, currently it is 11:30 and I just took a shower. I took a head bath because it's been long I haven't. And लॉकडाउन की हिस्ट्री में पहली बार होगा जब मैं इतना जल्दी उठ के इतना जल्दी नहाई हूँ. ठीक है, जल्दी उठी हूँ पर इतना जल्दी नहाई कभी नहीं. So yeah, I was just figuring out some of the documents that I need to take to the bank to eventually get a new account open. So yeah, I am currently following a diet routine. It's like an intermittent diet. So I started when I was 80 and I lost 1 kg more today in the morning. I'm so happy. I am currently 72, I guess, yeah. So I started this off when I was 80 and now I am 72. So yeah, let's grab a cup of hot water and let's write the to-do list for today. Hello guys, currently it is 12 and now I'm going to the bank. ब्राउन पेरेंट्स की एक बात मुझे लाइफ में कभी नहीं समझ में आएगी. जब जाना होता है बैंक 12 बजे तो 10 बजे उठाने की ज़रूरत क्या है?
मैंने तो बोला था 10 बजे.
किसने बोला था?
नान बनी नहीं करेगी, ऐसे ही चलेगी.
कौन देखने वाला है बैंक में? कैसे पता चलने वाला नहाया कि नहीं? Hi guys, what's up? It's currently 12:30 and I just came back home and still the work is not done. That means I have to go one more time to the bank. This is so pissing off. Like I don't know why. I just hate doing bank का काम. I just hate doing bank का काम. एक तो आता नहीं है, ऊपर से just goes so worst, filling this form, filling that form, it just goes to worst. I am supposed to go to the studio and get some new pictures clicked, but I cannot go right now because building में TMC वाले आए हुए हैं for the checking thing, coronavirus. One thing I want to say that coronavirus ने वो कर दिखाया जो हमारे माँ बाप इतने साल में नहीं कर पाए. They used to catch hold of us to not go outside and sit घर पे. But this coronavirus thing has gone so bad कि हर कोई घर पे बैठा है. Like जो चीज़ माँ बाप ने कर पाए वो चीज़ कोरोना वायरस ने खुश किया. माँ बाप थोड़े टाइम के लिए खुश थे ना कि बच्चे घर पे है हमारे आँखों के सामने. थोड़े टाइम बाद तो उनने भी छोड़ दिया, बोला निकालो यार इनको, रख के करेंगे क्या. But then I don't know, yeah, when will things get better? It is going more worse and worse than where I stay. Lockdown आज खुला है, like legit इतने टाइम बाद, but still we aren't allowed to go out. So I will keep you guys updated when if I eat my breakfast, because I will not on a normal basis because I am on an intermittent diet which directly starts with my lunch. एक दिन के लिए I cannot keep down the diet. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted if I eat something. So guys, currently it is 1 o'clock and I finally give up. मुझे भूख लगी थी, so I am just having some aloo sandwich sitting with my brothers. Say hi to us. Hi. Full time pass है ये लोग, full time pass. You want, you can take them. एक किसी को भी लेके जा. So I'll just have my breakfast and maybe TMC वाले आ गए, so we need to get checkup. So I'll keep you posted. 1:30 और मतलब एक और लॉजिक आज मेरे को पता चला कि 2 मास्क पहनने से कोरोना नहीं होगा. न्यू इन्वेंशन. I'm just going to the studio to get my pictures done. Not sponsored, guys. So guys, I just got my photos done and I'm just going to the bank again. Irritating. Hi guys, currently it is 2:30 and I'm just laying down. I'm so tired. सुबह 10 बजे से जो घूम रही हूँ यार. I'm just not willing to go out. I don't know why. I've been so homesick this 4 months that I don't know why. I just don't feel to go out anymore. And एक क्वेश्चन था बहुत टाइम से पूछना था. जो लड़कियाँ घर पे बैठे बैठे अपने हाथ पाँव की नेल पॉलिश लगा के एकदम एकदम सच संवर के बैठी है. नो झाड़ू, नो पोछा, नथिंग. आई हैव अ क्वेश्चन टू आस्क. हाउ डू यू फील टू बी गॉड्स फेवरेट? लाइक मैं तो नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. Hi guys, currently it is 3 o'clock and I'm just gonna have my lunch. I'm having curry, rice and dahi, like a proper Sindhi lunch kind of a thing. So I will just be having my lunch and maybe watching some TV or some YouTube show. I'm just not in a mood today to do anything, but then I have to be productive. I do not have an option when this comes. So yeah. Hi guys, currently it is 8 o'clock and I had my lunch and then I just went to sleep. ये सोच के कि मेरा दुनिया में आगे पीछे कोई नहीं है and I just don't need to do anything. But then I forgot I'm supposed to work out. So we're just going to work out now. I usually work out by 8 only. Meanwhile, I'll show you what's cooking in the kitchen. There's something very good cooking in the kitchen. I have a very good smell coming out of the kitchen. So let's go. So we have kanda bhajis cooking in the kitchen. I do not like kanda, so I am anyways not interested to have. But then lockdown में कितना खाया है यार. Not good. Chalo, now I'll just quickly get my shoes on and let's just work out. Hi guys, currently it is 9 p.m. and I just got done with my workout. I did abs today. Oh god. It's so going worse, yaar. I hate working out. I just hate working out. I'm now planning to grab a cup of cold coffee with some brown sugar because I feel low on sugar today. So maybe I'll be grabbing some cold coffee. Otherwise, I just don't take cold coffee. I take a dark chocolate smoothie. If you want to know the recipe will be out on IGTV tomorrow of the dark smoothie. So make sure you follow me on Instagram. My username will be down in the description box below. So make sure you check it. Hello guys, currently it is 9:45 and I am supposed to fill out some of the college forms, Mumbai University forms, because अब रिजल्ट आ गई, सब कुछ ऑनलाइन होने वाला है. Do not have an option. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that and I'll catch you when I have my dinner. Bye. Hi guys, currently it is 11:30 and I'm just gonna have some corn salad and that's about it. That's my dinner. I wanted to have something nice but I just cannot. My trainee will kill me because by God's grace my trainee is my mom's real sister. Both the real sisters are my trainee. Trust me, all the credit for me losing so long the weight just goes to them. I can never imagine me going this down with weight. But then, big shout out to both of them, Anjali Chawla and Kashish Gunani. I love you both. Thank you for making me this who I am. And yeah, that's about it. That's what a quarantine day in my life looks like. I hope you enjoyed it. If you really did, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. officially ending the vlog here. Now I'll just have my dinner, edit my vlog, and upload it by tomorrow on YouTube. I hope you guys enjoyed it and it wasn't boring. I promise a better vlog next time. It's just that I'm still new to trying out things, so it's just like that. But I promise a better vlog next time. I'll see you guys soon. Until then, take care, be safe, be indoors.